Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently following the last update that we did. Also my Twitter post about a possible breakout here to the downside following this wave count. Technically, the triangle is not broken until we break below 27,211. The reason is that so far we only have 3 waves down. That's fine. Yeah, but it means that at any point it could just put another leg to the upside in. Yes, it broke the trend line, but trend lines are not so important in Elliott Wave triangles. However, the D wave flow is important. So when we take that out and we talk here about 27,640 for this low here, we take that out. It is an additional indication that the triangle is going to break, but it technically isn't broken until we break below 27,210 or 211. Yeah, it's all about that B wave flow here. That needs to break, because let me show you what could happen. Technically, even if we take that one out here, that swing low there, it could be this. This could be the D wave. The B wave was sitting here. So things like that. Things are changing in triangles until you get a breakout, and the E wave could sit here, and then we could reorganize this. So it can always extend. That's what I suggested. Could happen, of course, in light of the inflation data not being published until I think it's Wednesday. But obviously we are on a good way now, and we had a triangle complete. That's why we said we now need to be watching that a triangle breakout could occur now, because we had 5 waves up in this 5 waves complete in the triangle. And if we get 5 waves complete in the triangle, it indicates that it could be finished. Doesn't mean it will be finished, but it means we need to be watching. And then we said against this swing high here, we can focus on lower, because this is the invalidation point for the current 5 wave move down, right? But it all looks okay. Looks all at the moment in line with previous signals and updates. So it could very well be that C wave has started. That's the way I count it now until it gets invalidated, and invalidation will occur above the, well, it's actually above the wave 2 high now. So here we talk about the 29,193 level. So going back above that level would not necessarily be bullish. It would just mean that the triangle is extending. But for now, the way we come down, it is suggestive of a 3rd wave breakdown here. Showed you yesterday already. It could be that this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2. And I think, if I remember correctly, we calculated a target for the 3rd wave that it would need to reach in the event of a breakout. So to just give us more confidence in this wave count. And then we talk about the 1.618 extension. That's sort of the approximate target for the 3rd wave. And we talk here about 26,850. I mean, let me see, depending on how accurately I draw the fibs, let me just double check that. Let me move that across. So, and it depends on your exchange. I always recommend to draw the fibs, based on your exchange. Yeah, so we talk roughly here about, oops, I'm gonna move that. No, that's fine. Yeah, 26,840 roughly for that 1.618 extension. That would, however, only be the 3rd wave target. Yeah, and it can always extend a little further. And if this really is the breakout, we're now already below 28K, then yeah, it should follow through and complete in the coming days this 5 wave move to the downside in a C wave of wave 2. This is the relevant support region for a C wave. I would say we probably look at something between the 50% level and the 78.6, so 25,325 and 22K. Yeah, because they can always extend out, but we will be able to specify that a bit further. I already gave you a 3rd wave approximate target, but we can also just use, if we assume the triangle really finished here on the 6th of May, we can use a different way of calculating that target, in that we take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and then in terms of the C wave targets, we look for 2 levels. The first major or main level is the 25,890 level. That's the 100% extension. That would be for completion of the C wave. So it could very well be, it will all finish here. Possible, yeah. Would be good for a lot of altcoins, because a lot of altcoins are suffering already and they are very, very deep in support. So that would be okay. That would also work in terms of the sub-wave targets. I just gave you target for the third wave, and it would work out nicely in terms of the proportions. If we get a long C wave, we're tackling here the 23,450 level as a likely one. Yeah? I mean, they are not levels that need to work out, but they are levels to watch on the way down. Yeah, that's my view about Bitcoin at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.